Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to auto align two images in Photoshop step by step. First of all, open your image. I already open to this image. Then move image for another layer. Okay, example, see this layer 1, layer 2. Unlock to this image layer, double click the lock icon, then unlock. Okay, hold shift, click 2 layer, go to edit tab, auto align layers, auto, click OK. And now see this auto align layer. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.